In this video, I will show you how you can fix the yellow triangle with a lightning bolt and a USB icon problem on the Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or the S26 Ultra. Now the icon you are seeing on the screen is a safety warning on Samsung devices which indicates abnormal charging. It is usually triggered by moisture, dust or debris inside the USB Type-C port, a faulty cable, or insufficient power from the charger. To fix this issue, first of all, just unplug your phone from charge, then just check the USB Type-C port of your Samsung phone. If you find any dust or debris stuck in the charging port, just use a soft brush and clean the charging port. And after that, just leave your Samsung phone in a dry and well-ventilated area for a couple of hours. Ideally, leave your phone for 3 to 4 hours for any moisture in the charging port to dry out. And after that, just plug in your Samsung phone back to charge and check if your issue is fixed or not. Now, if you've done that and if your issue is still not fixed, then just follow the next method. And for that, just grab the charging cable of your Samsung phone and check if it is damaged or not. If the charging cable or the adapter is damaged, just replace it with a new charger. Also, make sure to use Samsung's original charger to charge your phone. Because if you use a third-party charger or a charger which is not supported by Samsung, this will cause this problem. Also, one more thing to keep in mind, that if you use a lower wattage charger to charge your phone, this will cause this problem. As you can see, I have been using a lower wattage charger to charge this phone. And if I plug in this cable inside my phone, it will show this error. But if I plug in another cable which provides sufficient power to my Samsung phone, this error will disappear. Just like that. But if you've done all of that and if your issue is still not fixed, then you might have a hardware problem with your Samsung phone. Just take your smartphone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.